Wow, it's cold out there. As you can see, it shows -9, but it's definitely like -18 outside. Just because my car was in the garage. So definitely need to get some gas, and the car is filthy from all the road salt and everything outside. As you can see, a ton of snow already this year. Neighbors at the tree on the driveway. It's always classy. Yeah, so let's go get some gas. Let's get a car wash, and let's see how this new touchless, well, it's not new, but let's see how the touchless wash, how it does when a car has tons of salt on it. So let's take a look. All right, guys, so we'll stop at the gas station first, put some gas in the car, because I never let it go below a quarter tank usually. Just recently it's been so cold out when it's -25, -30 outside. I just don't want to leave and go anywhere. I always go to Shell. Shell is the only gas I use in this car since I purchased it. Just Shell V-Power. I always top it up. And that's the best gas you can use, at least in Canada, because it is ethanol free. Alright, so let's get some gas, then we'll go get the car wash. Alright, so we got our gas. Now let's get this car wash. So before I go for the car wash, I'll just go to the car and show you guys how bad, like how dirty the car is. Just so we can see, you know, how good these touchless car washes actually do. It's a true test to see how a cheap touchless car wash does on a dirty, salt-covered car. Winter driving life. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the car, see what condition it's in from 2 weeks of driving in the snow and the salt and everything. So we'll see how it looks and how good this touchless car wash can be. Oh, you can see somebody in the garage has been rubbing against my car with their coat. That's always nice. The back is filthy too. See, hatchbacks, the back always gets so filthy. And don't mind my floor mats, they're disgusting. This car's never this dirty. Alright, let's go check out this touchless car wash and see how it does. Alright guys, I'm at the touchless car wash now. Didn't want to roll the video because I had about 4 cars in front of me, and it takes probably about, I don't know, about 4 minutes per car. So I've been sitting here for a while. It's a nice view, you know, lots of stuff to see. Now, there's one thing you guys should never do, unless you're spraying off your car only, is use these. If you're using that brush, you do not care about your paint at all, like at all. But you know, if you do want to get a nice spray and at least get the car, you know, just get some of the salt and the stuff off the car, the best thing to do is use a touchless car wash. You know, that's just the best way you're going to avoid getting any scratches or marring on your paint. Especially in the winter when there's so much stuff on your paint that scrubbing it around on it's just going to make it worse. Alright guys, let's see how this touchless car wash does. curious to see what $13 gets you. Like, for the most part, essentially what you're doing is, it's like foaming the car with a foam cannon when you're washing the car, right? You're just basically, you're coating the paint with the soap, with the shampoo, and then letting it run off, right? So it collects all the dirt as it comes off the car. Yeah, that that foam looks a little weak, but it's okay. Must be running out. That side's all water. That's good. $13 well spent. Alright guys, that's your $13 touchless car wash. So let's see how it turns out. Alright, let's check and see how that car wash did for a touchless. It's not too bad. See, the back's always the worst part, so yeah, see, it's all kind of wet still. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but I think that $13 car wash for touchless turned out pretty good. Now I think the main reason for that is because of the wax I put on. So, you know, I think that was probably the reason why it came off easier. And that's the good thing, right? So I'll do more videos in the spring on maintenance and putting the right proper sealants or wax on the car, because if you do stuff like that, it makes cleaning the car a lot easier. So yeah. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and now you know, touchless car washes are not as bad as people think. If you guys please like the video, subscribe, that'd be great. And if you want to see more things, or you have any comments or questions about the car, give me a shout whenever. Alright, thanks for watching.